Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can mute notification sounds in-game on GOG Galaxy. For example, from incoming messages by your friends or friends list invitations. So let us guide you through it. So launch GOG Galaxy, log into your account, click into that gear icon in the very top left and select Settings. Here guys, what you want to do next is navigate to the notifications panel, and from there go through these specific notifications and simply click into that drop-down menu to the right to mute them or to disable the sound for these incoming notifications. You may, for example, do the same for desktop or overlay notifications, but that's totally up to you. You can disable them entirely if you don't want to receive these anymore. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.